After 60, we all deserve some rest. You've earned those quiet moments in your favorite chair, reading a book or watching TV. But if sitting becomes the default for most of your day, it may be silently impacting your health in ways you don't even realize. In today's video, we'll explore what happens inside your body when you sit too much after 60, and what simple changes can protect your heart, muscles, joints, energy levels, and even your mind. This isn't about becoming a gym rat. It's about gentle movement, awareness, and how just a few changes a day can help you stay independent, strong, and full of life. Let's begin. Number 1. Muscles weaken, especially in the legs. The first thing to go when you sit too much? Your leg muscles. 60, muscle mass naturally declines, a process called sarcopenia. Eating all day speeds this up. Many muscles moving in all day speeds this up, especially in the thighs, hips, and calves. Weak legs mean more risk of falls, trouble getting out of chairs, and fatigue when walking. What to do? Stand up every 30 to 45 minutes. Do 10 sit-to-stands or slow marches in place. Even 5 minutes makes a difference. Number 2. Your joints get stiff and less mobile. Notice how your knees or hips feel tight after sitting. When joints aren't moved regularly, they lose fluid and flexibility. Stiff mobile, regularly unflexibility. Over time, this stiffness can lead to arthritis-like discomfort. Solution? Gentle stretches or walking around your home every hour can help keep your joints loose and lubricated. Number 3. Blood flow slows down, especially to the legs. Long sitting reduces circulation, especially in your lower body. Swelling, varicose veins, and even dangerous blood clots, like deep vein thrombosis. Lower circulation also means less oxygen to muscles and the brain. What helps? Ankle pumps, foot circles, and standing heel raises during commercials or reading breaks can boost blood flow. Number 4. It affects heart health and blood sugar. When you sit for hours, your metabolism slows down. Your body burns less sugar and fat. Cholesterol and blood pressure may rise. Over time, this increases your risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and weight gain, even if you eat well. Tip: aim to move after meals. A 5 to 10 minute walk after eating helps your body regulate blood sugar naturally. 5. Back and neck pain get worse. Poor posture from sitting, especially in soft chairs or recliners, puts pressure on the spine. Muscles weaken and discs in the spine compress. This leads to back pain, pinched nerves, and neck stiffness. Simple fix: use a small pillow behind your lower back. Set a timer to stand and stretch your arms and spine. 6. Your brain slows down too. Physical movement increases blood flow to the brain, keeping it sharp. Almedna too long can reduce mental clarity and focus. You more tired, foggy, or even down emotionally. Inspiration: try standing when making phone calls or doing puzzles at a counter. 7. Your balance and coordination decline. Staying seated all day reduces the work your body does to maintain balance. Halamedna impacts your coordination, reflexes, and core stability. However, increases fall risk. How to prevent it? Practice standing on one leg while holding a counter, or walk heel to toe across the room daily. 8. It can impact digestion and bladder function. Prolonged sitting compresses your abdomen. Digestion slows down, which can lead to bloating and constipation. Commemorate may also worsen urinary urgency or leakage by weakening pelvic muscles. Better habits: take short post-meal walks. Consider seated core exercises or breathing to gently activate your belly muscles. 9. Your independence may decline over time. Ultimately, sitting too much leads to a loss of strength, mobility, and confidence. Daily tasks feel harder, standing up, climbing stairs, reaching shelves. This can create a cycle of fear and more sitting. The good news? It's never too late to start moving more. Even small actions help. Simple ways to break up sitting time at home. Place a sticky note on the TV remote. Stand and stretch. An hourly timer on your phone. Walk around during commercials. Practice to one song after lunch. A few arm circles every time you get water. Every small move adds up. Real story. Jean's 2-minute miracle. Jean, 72, from Ohio, started doing 2 minutes of movement every hour. Leg swings, heel raises, even dusting shelves. Within a month, she had more energy, slept better, and said her knees didn't ache as much. She didn't go to the gym, she didn't buy equipment. She just moved a little more often. You can too. Recap. What happens when you sit too much after 60? Muscle loss speeds up. Meniscus stiffen. Remention slows. Blood sugar and heart health decline. Posture and back pain worsen. Rementin fog increases. Balance gets weaker. Also happens, do things. But just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle movement every hour can protect your health, mood, and confidence. Your body wants to move. Help it thrive. If you've been sitting more than usual, don't feel bad. Awareness is the first step. Now you know what sitting does, and you also know how powerful a few small steps can be. Let your body stretch. Let your legs walk. Let your mind feel proud. You don't have to overhaul your life, you just need to begin. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use a gentle reminder today. Your best years still have movement in them. Let's keep going, one step at a time.